No. Come strong in the high ball. Come, right. Keep strong. Strong. Keep strong. Hold. Keep. Steady moving. No, I don't want you on the ground. I want you to go high. Higher. Keep. Come on. Push me if you have to. Keep. Come on. Hey. Keep. Go back in that. Go. Higher. Come on. Adjust. You have to. Oh, yeah. Oh, let's go. Give it to me. To me.
Recording this.
To me.
Yeah, I know what you see. There's
Position to change the direction. Position to change the direction. Two more. Go. 3 and 4. Go. Ale. Behind the ball. Go.
Yeah, try to run it.
Stop. 5.
Good luck.
5. 5. Yeah. Okay. Go. Bring this stuff up. Right. 6 times. Strong. 2. How say that? 3. Reaction before me. You know you need to go forward. 5. Last one. How say that? Okay.